Do you struggle to do push-ups? Stick around and I'll provide an easy, straightforward, equipment-free framework that will get you from push-up zero to push-up hero. If you're new here, my name is Dr. Michael Vancheri and I'm a chronic pain specialist here in New York City. You may be sitting there thinking, outside of looking jacked, why is it even important for me to be able to do a push-up? I'm so glad you asked. Patients that I see in clinic that are able to do push-ups experience 40% less shoulder, neck, and upper back pain. They're also the same patients that can throw the football with their kids further, bring all the groceries in one trip, and most importantly, age gracefully without the need of assistance. If you're going to live a fulfilling, pain-free life, possessing the strength to do a push-up matters. Now, this isn't a form video, but I'm going to show you very quickly what a good push-up looks like. Nice flat back. You should be able to draw a line from my heels to the top of my head. Slowly lower. Forearms perpendicular to the ground and push up. Keep your glutes squeezed throughout the entirety of the movement and keep your core tight. Your chest should graze the ground and pop up. This is one really good push-up. Now let me give you the framework to get you there. The first movement is the top of the push-up hold. Have a straight line go from your heels to the top of your head. Actively push with your hands into the ground. Squeeze the glutes and squeeze the abs as tight as possible. This is the beginning and the end shape of the push-up. Accumulate 60 seconds in each training session. You have passed this or mastered this when you can accumulate 30 seconds unbroken. The second movement is a bottom of the push-up hold. Same thing as the top of the push-up hold, nice and active. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the abs as hard as you can. Float above the ground about 1 to 2 inches. This is the mid shape of the push-up. For each training session, accumulate 60 seconds in this position. You have mastered this position when you can accumulate 30 seconds unbroken. If you cannot get your chest to hover off of this position, simply squeeze the abs, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the quads, and push into the ground as hard as you can for 5 seconds at a time. Do 12 sets of this, and soon you should be able to hover. Don't progress to our third and final movement until you've mastered the first two. Make sure you can do the top of the push-up hold and the bottom of the push-up hold for 30 seconds at a time. If you like the simplicity of what you're watching and want more content on how to get out of pain, get stronger, and get healthier, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Our third and final movement is the eccentric push-up. Start at the top of the push-up hold and slowly lower. Try and be even and smooth throughout this process. Once you get to the bottom, pop to your knees, push up, then get to that top of the plank hold. Perform 3 sets of 5, and you've mastered this movement when you can do 3 sets of 5, taking 10 seconds to smoothly, evenly lower yourself to the ground. And if you can do 3 sets of 5 with a 10-second eccentric, you will be able to do a push-up. Comment below when you started this program and then reply to that comment when you've gotten your first push-up.
Pause the video, take a screenshot, use this cheat sheet for reference.
It should only take the average person around 3 to 6 weeks to go from 0 push-ups to stringing multiple together. Most individuals that follow the program as is, starting with the isometrics and then moving to the eccentrics, already be able to do 5 push-ups by the time they've progressed through. If at any point during the progression you experience an uncomfortable sensation greater than 3 out of 10 pain, see a doctor. If you don't have access to a high-quality doctor, go ahead and check out the video on shoulder pain right here. Combine those exercises with this progression to achieve maximum shoulder health and function. Only do these exercises twice a week. These are max effort, max intensity days. Because of that, they require adequate rest. You can combine the isometric work for the top of the push-up hold and the bottom of the push-up hold into the same day. Do not progress to the eccentrics until you can comfortably do 30 seconds unbroken for both shapes. When you do get to the eccentric push-ups, be mindful of soreness. Eccentrics cause greater tissue breakdown than concentrics. Combine this progression with light walking, light lower body days, or the shoulder pain workout that I linked previously. Enjoy your increased strength, function, and decreased pain. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. Have a wonderful day, and remember, pain-free people change the world.